Welcome to this tutorial on Add-ADGroupMember, a powerful PowerShell command used for adding users to Active Directory groups. In this video, you'll learn how to manage group memberships effectively using PowerShell, which is essential for any system administrator working with Active Directory. Let's dive into understanding this important cmdlet and how it simplifies user management in your organization. Add-ADGroupMember is a PowerShell cmdlet that comes from the Active Directory module. Its primary purpose is to add members to Active Directory security or distribution groups. This cmdlet allows you to automate group membership management at scale, which is much more efficient than manually adding users through the graphical interface. Whether you're managing a small team or an entire enterprise, this cmdlet helps you handle group memberships programmatically, saving time and reducing errors. Understanding why we add users to groups is fundamental to Active Directory management. There are two main reasons. First, access control. By adding users to groups, you can grant permissions to resources based on group membership rather than individual user accounts. This makes security management much cleaner. Second, efficiency. Instead of assigning permissions to each user individually, you assign them to a group once, and any user added to that group automatically inherits those permissions. This approach scales well and follows the principle of least privilege. Let's look at the basic syntax of Add-ADGroupMember. The command requires two essential parameters. The identity parameter specifies which group you want to add members to, and the members parameter specifies who you want to add. In this example, you see the cmdlet followed by the identity parameter with the group name in quotes and the members parameter with the username in quotes. The backtick character is used for line continuation in PowerShell, making the command more readable. This is the simplest form of the command you'll use most often. There are three key parameters you should know when working with Add-ADGroupMember. The identity parameter specifies the target Active Directory group, and you can provide either the group name or its distinguished name. The members parameter accepts one or more user accounts, groups, or even computer objects that you want to add to the group. Finally, the server parameter is optional and lets you specify which domain controller to connect to. This is useful in environments with multiple domain controllers, or when you need to target a specific one for replication reasons. Here's a practical example of adding a single user to a group. The command adds a user with the username J. Smith to a group called Sales Team. Notice how we use the identity parameter to specify the group name and the members parameter to specify the username. The username can be provided in several formats, including the SAM account name as shown here, the distinguished name, or the user principal name. After running this command, J. Smith will be a member of the Sales Team group and will inherit all permissions assigned to that group. One of the powerful features of Add-ADGroupMember is the ability to add multiple users at once. In this example, we're adding 3 users to the marketing team group, J. Doe, a Smith, and M. Johnson. The usernames are separated by commas in the members parameter. This is incredibly efficient when you need to onboard multiple users to the same group simultaneously. Instead of running the command 3 separate times, you execute it once with all the usernames. This batch operation saves time and ensures consistency across all additions. Let's wrap up with some important best practices. Always verify group membership after adding users to ensure the operation completed successfully. Use Add-ADGroupMember to confirm your changes and validate that users were added correctly. Document all group membership changes for compliance and audit purposes, especially in regulated industries. Finally, always test your commands in a non-production environment first before running them in production. This helps you catch any errors or unexpected behavior without impacting your live Active Directory environment. Following these practices will help you maintain a secure and well-managed Active Directory infrastructure.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.